Have you ever gazed up at the night sky and wondered about the life journey of a star? Stars, these radiant celestial bodies, are not just twinkling objects in the night sky. They are enigmatic entities with life stories as profound and complex as our own. Each star we see is a celestial being in a particular stage of a fascinating life cycle, a journey that spans billions of years. From their birth in the dense, cold clouds of interstellar gas and dust, stars embark on a cosmic journey. They pass through various stages of evolution, each marked by unique physical changes and dramatic astronomical events. They burn brightly during their prime, illuminating the cosmos with their energy. Eventually they approach their end, collapsing and dying in a spectacular display of cosmic fireworks. Their remnants either fade into oblivion or give birth to new stars, continuing the cycle of stellar life and death. To truly understand these luminous beacons of the night, we must delve into their life journey, from cosmic cradle to grave. A star's journey begins in a nebula, a vast cloud of gas and dust. Imagine a cosmic nursery, a place where stars are born. Nestled in these nebulae are dense pockets of gas and dust, and it's here where the magic happens. Under the relentless pull of gravity, these dense pockets begin to collapse inward. As they condense, they form what we call a protostar. This protostar, much like a caterpillar in a cocoon, is still hidden from sight, veiled by the thick dust and gas of the nebula. Yet within this shrouded cradle, a remarkable transformation is taking place. The protostar continues to collapse, and as it does, it grows hotter and denser. When the core of the protostar reaches a temperature of about 10 million degrees, a process known as nuclear fusion begins. This is the point where a protostar truly becomes a star. In the heart of the star, hydrogen atoms are compressed and fused together to form helium. This process releases an enormous amount of energy, causing the star to shine brightly. It's like the star has just taken its first breath, filling the universe with light. Now, our star has reached what we call the main sequence stage. This is where it will spend the majority of its life, continually fusing hydrogen into helium in its core, shining brightly for millions, even billions of years. Stars like our sun are in this stage right now, providing the energy that fuels life on Earth. But, as with all things, this phase cannot last forever. Eventually the hydrogen fuel in the star's core will run out. Without this fuel, the star can no longer maintain its equilibrium. The balance between gravity pulling inward and the pressure from nuclear fusion pushing outward is disrupted. After millions to billions of years, a star's life in the main sequence comes to an end, heralding the onset of old age. As a star exhausts its nuclear fuel, it embarks on the final stages of its life cycle. The twilight of a star paints a breathtaking portrait of cosmic transformation. When a star has consumed the last of its hydrogen, it begins to fuse helium into heavier elements, leading to an increase in temperature and pressure. This internal heat causes the outer layers of the star to expand, transforming the star into a red giant, or for the most massive stars, a red supergiant. Picture an aging star swelling to a size that could engulf the inner planets of a solar system, yet this expansion is not the end. As the red giant cools and contracts, it begins to shed its outer layers, casting them off into space. This material forms a beautifully intricate shell of gas and dust around the star, known as a planetary nebula. Despite its name, a planetary nebula has nothing to do with planets. It's a remnant of a star's transformation, a cosmic chrysalis of sorts. But what happens to the core of the star? Well, that depends on the star's mass. If the star is relatively small, the core will cool and contract to form a white dwarf. This is a dense, hot, stellar corpse, about the size of Earth but with the mass of the Sun. For more massive stars, the core will collapse under its own gravity, becoming so dense that protons and electrons merge to form neutrons. The result is a neutron star, a celestial body so dense that a teaspoon of its material would weigh as much as a mountain on Earth. The most massive stars of all end their lives in a more dramatic fashion. Their cores collapse to a point of infinite density, creating a black hole. These cosmic phenomena are so dense and their gravitational pull so strong that not even light can escape their grasp. And so, from a nebulous beginning to a spectacular end, we see the cosmic journey of a star. A journey that is a testament to the grandeur and mystery of our universe. The death of a star is not an end, but a new beginning. As stars extinguish their celestial fires, they scatter their elements across the cosmos. These materials, rich in potential, coalesce to form new stars, planets, and even the building blocks of life. It's a cosmic recycling program on an epic scale. From the ashes of the old, the universe births the new, spinning an endless celestial dance of creation and destruction. In the grand tapestry of the cosmos, each star tells a story of birth, life, and death, a cycle as eternal as the universe itself. Yet this cosmic dance isn't just happening light years away, it's also happening within us. The carbon in our bodies, the oxygen we breathe, the iron in our blood, all were forged in the heart of a dying star. In a very real sense, we are stardust. This celestial connection bridges the gap between the cosmos and us, making us a part of this grand stellar odyssey. So, the next time you gaze up at the night sky, remember, you're not just looking at stars. You're looking at your distant relatives. We are, indeed, children of the stars, bound by the cosmic cycle of birth, life, and death. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating journeys into the cosmos. Until next time, keep looking up and remember, we are all made of star stuff.